Racing through the open plains, heart on fire, unrestrained, carrying stories of the past, lessons learned from battles cast, strength that rises from within, lines of where you've been and been, every step about to stand, holding power in your hands. Ride with purpose, ride with pride, let your courage be your guide. Know your strength, but choose your way, with a heart that knows when not to stray. In the rush of wind and flame, echoes call you by your name. Territory marked by truth, shaped by trial since your youth. But the road